Okay, so let's look at some adding and subtracting of positive and negative decimals. So here we have the question negative 3.64 plus negative 2.9. And we can use this rule here which says if the two numbers have the same sign, in this case negative and negative, then all we have to do is add those two numbers together and then keep that sign. So in this example here, we just add those two numbers together, 3.64 and then 2.9, okay? And of course when I'm adding up decimals, I'm lining up that decimal point, okay? So I add those two together, so that gives me 4, 5, 1, and 6, okay? And then I keep the sign from the original here. So 3.64 plus negative 2.9 gives me negative 6.54, okay? So same sign, add them and keep the sign, okay? Now let's have a look. Okay, so when we have a situation like this where the signs are different, so this is obviously a negative and this is obviously a positive, what we need to do is find the difference between the two numbers, okay? So to do that, we simply subtract the smaller one from the larger one, okay? So 7 taken by 3, and 5 taken by 2 is 3. And then what we do is we put a symbol at the front which comes from the number which is furthest from 0. So the 5.7, negative 5.7 is further from 0, so we put its negative symbol to tell us that that's where the answer is between those two numbers.